For thru-hull applications, tapered 3/4 NPT pickup tube. Powerful and long-lasting, outstanding performance as well as the versatility of replacing the motor cartridge if the motor expires. Cartridge feature also allows easy access to impeller for cleaning and maintenance. Replacing the motor cartridge only allows the fittings and hose to remain totally intact. 3-year warranty. 800 GPH, 3028 LPH, 3/4, 19 mm, discharge hose, fuse 5 amp. Top reviews from the United States. Good price, quiet. New design allows easy peasy motor change out. Replaced with my 3-year-old rule pump with many hours of running time, which did not allow just the motor change out. Also great customer service. I telephoned, they answered, no hold or phone tree to navigate. Directed me to a gentleman who has been with Rule for a long time and offered great advice as to new pump options, etc. From my personal experience, if you fill your Livewell with lotsa bait, I recommend always going up a size as it is hard to over-aerate excited bait. Tight lines, safe boating.